This is gonna be a fun one. Fall is in full swing. I just couldn't do a recipe. Why can't I do this? Fall is in... Don't exactly think of Italian food. Italian food isn't exactly the first thing to come to mind. However, it doesn't exactly go with fall flavors necessarily. But if you were to take fudge. This week we're going to whip up something called pumpkin pie cannoli cones. Ooh, I actually got it right. Pumpkin pie cannoli cones. Greetings, muggles! Did I do that right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Is that it?
Well, that was the start. It is Halloween. What am I, a monk? My resident Harry Potter expert, Allison, who's also our editor, and my girlfriend.
That's how I got on the show.
We're doing that again.
Okay.
It's my resident Harry Potter expert, Allison.
Oh, I'm so excited to be here.
This show has a level of class and sophistication that I really, really need you to maintain.
Am I not sophisticated enough for your show, for Simmer Town, that I edit?
It's shake and bake, and she helped. Okay. Batter up.
Batter.
Batter up.
Not batter.
Batter.
Oh, you need to work on your British accent.
This is fun. It's fun having you here. We're like Regis and Kathy Lee. I'm Kathy Lee.
Why are you always this girl?
Oh, geez.
Pop! Big pop.
Like our new... What am I doing? And that's not all that's new. Stick around next for an all-new recipe. Tonight. No. It's also a good time to remind you that if you have a recipe you'd like us... Let's try that again. It's also a good time to remind you if you have a... Comment below, share a link, send it to me in a message, let me know. We love to try it, and of course I always love cooking up stuff from that whole speech by saying stuff. It's fall, all right. The days are getting short. The nights are getting colder. Hats, and we have... We'll try that again without the turkey falling apart on me. That's right, it's Thanksgiving week. That's right, it's Thanksgiving week. That's right, it's Thanksgiving week. For me, the unofficial kickoff... No, not me. That's right, it's Thanksgiving week, the kickoff to the holiday season. I haven't done this for a while on film, have I? Well, I got news for you. There are other ways to serve pumpkin pie than just in a crust on the table as a slice. What am I talking about? Serve it as a dessert, and you have... I'm going to start that all over. You're going to want to do what's called... what is it called? I forgot the name. Hold on, thought. 1 cup of milk. Any milk will work. I'm using whole, but... And we have an absolute... Oh, good. We are recording. I forgot.